Welcome to the vlog. Hey. Really want to start carrying these. This is so comfortable. Yo, this is hella comfortable, yo. It's really nice. It's not small. I'm definitely going to need an extra small so that I can have that. Is it me? I have lost 2 inches off my waist the last time I measured. Excuse me. Plus, I have not been doing, OMAD. Did OMAD yesterday. I'm on my period now, so I've been doing OMAD since I've been on my period because I know how I get with food and my cravings, right? I do 4 teas a day, 4 to 8 teas a day. The link is in my bio if you want to purchase your POMIFITNESS as well as grab your TLC products. So I do 4 teas. I want to carry these. I spoke with my supplier already, waiting back to hear the quotes. When I do, I may do pre-orders, and the pre-orders will obviously help to fund that endeavor. Hopefully they're not going to be too expensive. Oh, my friend, my nose ring. Hopefully they're not going to be too expensive so that I can carry them. You know what I mean? But yeah, so welcome to the vlog. Hi guys, it's Sunday. I'm just too long wake up. I have on my scrub. I'm going to be going over my grandmother's today. So I have my teas. I have my 2 original, 1 lemon, 1 raspberry. I'm going to have these, but not now. I'm going to make it and carry it with me. Order her more. So this bottle you can't get on the website. When you're a part of TLC, sometimes you win, you get rewards. Not sometimes, you always get rewards. So for me, one of my rewards is being a part of the 250 club, where you get $250 worth of products when they sell a certain amount of products, I believe it is. So I'd love to talk to you guys more about that, just about TLC and the business of TLC, so you guys can understand, because it does take work. I don't feel like you can get all this free money. It does take work. I have to post every single day if I want to make a certain amount. So I'm gonna go hard on POMIFITNESS. I have to go hard, just as hard on TLC. The thing is, the whole YouTube thing, like with me collecting my money, hopefully I think I figured out what the issue is, but I'm still kind of working through it. So for the rest of today, I'll be online kind of searching again, how to rectify that so I can collect my pay from YouTube. But yeah, so this is what I'll be doing today. All right, guys, so this workout is going to be unedited, and this workout is from my trainer, and normally when he gives me workout, it's like 5 sets. So if I'm doing 12 reps, meaning I'm doing the move 12 times, I have to do it 5 times, 12 times. You know what I mean? Like, so I'm doing the move for 60. So this is Romanian deadlifts, and this is working the butt. All my workouts, baby, I work the butt, honey. Like, every day is leg day in my book. And when I leg day, if then it's my blood cleanse, and then they say grow body, no. Get body big, no. A volume size, no. It's like that. That's his workout. That's the nature of his workout. Dennis is absolutely my personal trainer. The vibe at the gym that I go to is, look at the cuts on my arm. Are y'all seen that shit, bro? I got muscles on muscles. And yeah, just the vibe at the gym, it is just amazing. I have friends there. I don't tell them my life like, oh my God, this is what happened. But it's beautiful, isn't it? My outfit is from Gymshark, obviously. Yo, I want to be a Gymshark athlete so bad. But I'm going to work on it for 2021. And if it doesn't work, I'm going to work on it for 2022. If that doesn't work, I'm going to work on it for 2023. You know what I'm saying? Like, I believe it's an amazing brand to align myself with. But, yeah, I don't always wrap my head to go to the gym. So this body is TLC as well as the gym. I don't want y'all to think that one without the other. No, the body I want is straight, like muscles, like big hips, thick thighs, big butt, small upper body. You know what I mean? Like, that's what I want. That's the look that I want to have, and it takes work.
At my highest, after I had Jalil, I was 217 pounds, and at my lowest, since I've started taking TLC and going to the gym and doing OMAD and intermittent fasting, I have gotten down to 135 pounds. I'm saying all that to say that there's absolutely nothing that is impossible. Nothing. You just have to put your mind to it. You have to stay focused. But one thing I will admit though, my nutrition is absolute trash. It's absolute trash. It's rubbish. I drink a Pepsi or two every single day. Every single day. I'm not, if it's not Pepsi, it's some soda. Every single day. So when I fail in my nutrition, which I typically do, I depend on the products to help me out. Oh, there goes Paul, man, nigga, that's Paul in the blue. But yeah, I fail, when my nutrition is and I'm not bragging. I'm saying that to say, you have to be consistent with something. Can you imagine if I wasn't consistent with my workout, wasn't consistent with my products, wasn't consistent with my meals? Like, where would I be? And I'm probably gonna offend somebody, but I'll be where some of y'all are right now, just wishing and like hoping that you could. It takes work. It takes work. I don't mind working. I love the gym. I love TLC. I highly recommend the Life Drops, the Resolution Drops, the Delgada, if you love coffee, because the Delgada is a coffee, the NRG, the NutriBurst, as well as the ISSA. I take all the ISSAs. I take three of them. I take the original, the raspberry, and the lemon. So I would do 2 original, 1 raspberry, 1 lemon, and I do 4 to 6 teas per day. If I'm having a horrible day, like I'm drinking a lot, I'm eating a lot, then I'll do probably 8 teas. So this set, as I said, I had to do it 5 more times, but yeah, this is it. Oh, I'm talking to y'all.
Alright, hi guys. So I can't look at the camera because I'm driving. Today is not good. Today I woke up and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna be Wonder Woman today. So I got up my red and my blue and my gold, and then when I finished my makeup, immediately, like, I went to my video call and then I just hated it. I just didn't like my makeup, so it started from there. And then I went on the road, and people recognized me, and the situation came up, and I don't know if it was triggering, but I was already feeling depressed before. I know, like, people are saying, oh my gosh, hi, I'm praying for you. I'm just like, I feel stupid. That's how I feel. I feel dumb for that happening to me. I feel stupid, and I can't, like, this vlog going go up way after. So for those who will be writing, oh, it's okay, feel better and whatever, guys, you're seeing this way after the fact. So sometimes I read the comments and I'm like laughing, like, okay. And I don't mean to be mean or rude or unappreciative, but I'm just saying, like, it's far gone. But I mean, it has always been hard, and it has always been a mental struggle, or like finding the willpower. Excuse me. So when people ask me, how are you doing? I'm just like, yo, I'm just working, just trying, just keeping busy. Then there's this meme I put up that says, I wish when people, ask me how I'm doing, I said something like, when people ask me how I'm doing, all I say is, I'm working. And the meme said, what I want to say is, I'm sad, I'm depressed, I'm alone, I'm, all them something there. And then at the end of the meme, it say, instead, I'm just working. So, like, all the above. In terms of the home, bro, I'm in love with my house. But my house is amazing. My landlord is spectacular. I love my home. I love it. It's home. It's peaceful. You know what I mean? Like, I can't wait to get home. So
this is not my car. I borrowed my friend's car, so I'm gonna drop it off to him now. I just can't wait for it to back on my yard. I'm hell excited. When did I forget? Oh yeah. But yeah, today is one of those days where I'm not doing well, so I'm gonna go home, eat my dinner with mama make for me. And then as the night progresses, I'm gonna eat chocolate and drink some wine. Oh, so I may go live, I may not. Well, the truth is that I would love to go live, but I can't, because whenever I go live, people worry. Like, what is she gonna say now? Another toll. What a song coming ahead? Omega soul, listen, out of control, full up and them not on a payroll. The clothes by my back have countless I could go on and on. The fool has never been. That's why the song is in my head, because the full has not yet been told. Fix your crown, sis. It's a whole movement, bro. It's a whole vibe. Fix your crown. I don't know when this video is gonna go up, but I'm going to be going live on CVM at sunrise. That's about, call time is 6:30. I'm gonna be there at 6 because I hate being late. So I'm gonna go to the gym after, and I may not go to the gym because if people know, like, say that now, and if anything go come up, then people are gonna be like, oh my gosh, I saw in CVM. And listen, hey, I understand that you guys want to share with me that, listen, you know, we care, and just know that you have support, and I get that. But I'm just saying, for some days I can handle it, and some days I can't, and today's on those days where I can't handle it. I can't. But I love you guys, and I appreciate every single one of you. But today is just, what the hell is that? Oh Lord. Today I just can't. And I hope I'm not coming off no way like offending nobody. And I recognize that in my life. The video got cut off yesterday. I got a phone call. I'm heading to the gym. I'm actually here. But yo, I'm so anxious this morning. Like one piece of anxiety. Oh, I don't know what it is. I don't know what's going to happen. I'm really nervous. The gym makes me really happy, and it's almost as if I don't want to be here, which is weird. I really can't wait to get my nails done. But my nails, the next time I get my nails done, it's going to be so extra. But yeah, oh my, tea at work. I'm so nervous, you guys. I'm anxious. I don't know why my anxiety is really. Alright guys, so just leaving the gym. From time to time I borrow my brother's car, or my brother and his wife's car, the Rochester's car. So today I have a couple errands I need to run. I need to write them down because I'm liable to forget. So I'm gonna get those done today. Hopefully you guys can hear me because my headphones isn't working. I really want to thank everybody who has helped with my Amazon wish list. I had to change the link, excuse me, because I don't think I told you guys, but somebody had hacked the link like that. When I had my registry, somebody did something, and when I go on, it's all the items were purchased, but they weren't. So same thing happened with my Amazon wish list. It would say, because I went on to get some stuff, and it said that I couldn't make any purchase because the item has already been purchased. And it wasn't, because it said so for every single thing. And let me tell you how I know it wasn't, because in order for you to make any purchase for me, you have to get the address from me. So nobody emailed me. Nobody said to me, yo, give me an address. You see me? And when they do that, they have to screenshot the order and send it to me, because it's going to go to my shipping place. You see me? So I need to make my people them know, say, look out for this for me when they see it. That hasn't been done. So I knew it was hacked or tampered with, or whatever the case may be. But yeah, thank you for those who have purchased. I'm gonna end the vlog here, you guys, and so I have a makeup tutorial for you guys, but I filmed on my camera, so hopefully I can have that up for you guys in short order. maybe in a day or two. Let me just figure out a laptop situation, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys later.